Ooh, welcome man, welcome back to the channel, guys. I am en route. Well, actually, I'm here now, guys. I'm at work. Anyway, I got a call, guys. Y'all know my minivan, my red minivan that I rent to my friend. Yes. She called me, said she hearing brake noise, scrubbing. I'm like, you done wore the brakes out already? Now y'all remember I gotta go the other way, guys, because they blocking this. Y'all remember I bought those lifetime warranty pads from Autozone? Well, I'm finna see. The van is down there, but I can't get through there, so I have to go the other way. What was I saying? Yes, those lifetime warranty pads that I bought. We about to find out how lifetime warranty it is. Now, I'm sure it don't cover rotors. This girl, I guess, just kept driving it. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get around that truck, so I'm going through the parking deck. She kept driving the car till there's nothing left and I'm making noise. So I will find out. Shut up, Bill. Look at the beauties. I will find out if how well. And the thing about it, guys, y'all know mechanics can't keep up with receipts. We barely can keep up with our driving license. There it is. So I had to just come around my red beauty. So maybe they got me in the system. I hope they got me in the system. And I vowed that they would not get away with this, that I would hang on to the receipt. So quite frankly, it may be in the glove box. Well, we about to find. She had it dropped off here. I don't know if she had it towed. I don't think she had it towed. She kept driving it. Brakes already shot at this point. So let's get in, guys. Take it inside. It's kind of slow today, so this is one of my challenges for the day. Uh-oh. Y'all hear that? Holy crap. I'm scrubbing in the front. Girl, you done wore out the brakes to the point where I couldn't even. Holy crap. You drove this here? Okay, she risked her life. This van is scrubbing. I cannot get through there. Y'all hear that? All right, I'm going in the shop, guys. We about to check this thing out. All right, people, get out of my way. I don't have any brakes. Can't stop. Ah, that's loud. Let's get to it, guys. Let's find out what's up with this thing. Stay tuned. All right, guys, I have it up in the air. Like I say, oh, that rotor is shot, guys. Y'all see that? Oh my goodness. That's where my grinding though is definitely coming from. Not this side, but I need two rotors, guys. Now, again, guys, the pad said lifetime warranty, and that's against wear. So it's obviously the pads are worn. So what I'm gonna do, ooh, look at that motor mount. What I'm gonna do is go up there. I'm not gonna tell them about. That ain't none of their business. I'm gonna go up there and get I don't know. I don't remember how it worked. All I know is I was shocked and happy at the same time that he said lifetime warranty. So I think, guys, what do y'all think? I need to take the pads with me, right? Is that how that work? I think I'm supposed to take the pads with me. I got a little oil leaks. Yeah, y'all remember that starter I had to put on? Watch this video right here where that starter had me jammed up. I think I'm supposed to bring the pads with me. Let me look at the rear, because I did front and rear. Remember, I was shocked, guys. I couldn't believe parts stores sell parts lifetime warranty when they know it's a wearable item. Unless you just really chasing numbers and trying to make a sale, because you got to know these brake pads are going to wear out. I did the front and rear. All right, looks like the rear going to be fine. So I need one rotor. I'm going to get two because I don't think I can resurface. I done enough resurfacing. Guys, do this the proper way. Take the wheel off. Oh, yeah, that's groove and sunk in. Supposed to take the wheel off. So I'm going to take these pads off and take them up there. They might want to match them. All right, guys, I'm in the middle of taking, y'all know I'm getting ready to do the brakes on my red minivan, my 09, the one that I rent out, but I decided to stop, guys, because I have some real fussing to do when I see this young lady, okay? As you can see, I'm in the middle of taking the caliper off. So yeah, guys, she went way too long. Look at this. Okay, now the boot the piston is so far out that the boot has been dislodged. Not only that, guys, look at the rotor. Now, forget the fact that this is my car and she ain't ruining the car, she's just ruining the part. She gonna pay for this no matter what. But she put her life in danger, guys, so I'm gonna chastise her for that alone. Like, you should not be riding around like this. Oh my goodness. Like, there's a warning indicator on brake pads to tell you when you're scrubbing up against the rotor. I guess you ignore that. It started off as a squeak. Remember, guys, a squeak and a scrub is two different things. All right. So I'm sure AutoZone gonna warrant you these pads, but I know I'm gonna get a rotor. I may need a caliper. Although the boot just came out, I can see it's not the seal is what will affect if it's leaking or not. I don't know how many of you guys had a caliper apart. We used to build these all the time, but not so much now because they're inexpensive. Well, I'm gonna try to repair this, get the boot back in its place, push the piston back in, and see if I can reuse this. Cause I don't know if they're gonna have a caliper in stock. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna really chastise her butt. Oh my goodness, you put your life in danger. Okay, so let me take these pads. I'm headed up to AutoZone to see if they will honor their lifetime warranty. For wear. Y'all get that? Wear. See, they might want to, yeah, it has a name on it, so they might want to look at the name and go by that. So, guys, wish me luck. I'm on my way to AutoZone. All right, guys, I got one up on them, guys. I'm in the trunk of my van. Guess what? I saw back here. I forgot I had put the box back here, guys. So, yes, they shouldn't have no problems giving. In fact, they ain't even got to look it up. I put the receipt back here and everything. Lifetime warranty, $34 for lifetime. I should never have to pay for brake pads again. So they shouldn't have no problem. Now, I don't know if these are front or rear, but I'm sure all they want to see is that M on there that represents their product. Okay, Max, I guess. But this should make life so much easier. I'm glad I put this in the rear now. I think I remember saying I was going to do that so I wouldn't have any problem. All right, guys. Like I say, wish me luck. I'm gonna hop in my PT and head out to AutoZone. Stay tuned.